Greetings of the day. Today I am going to discuss one more career option available in the field of data science, and that is nothing but a data analyst. So, if anybody after BCA or BTech wants to be a data analyst, this video will be very useful. And for those who have just done their 10 plus 2 and want to become a data analyst with a very handsome salary and with a very bright future, must watch this video from start till end. So in this video we are going to discuss questions like who is data analyst, what does a data analyst do, what are the skill sets which are required to become a data analyst, and online courses, list of online courses which you need to do, which you need to pursue to get required skills. And again, the final question, what is the average salary? Let's go ahead. So in the session outline, you will learn about data analysis. What does a data analyst do? You will learn. What is the average salary of, or you can say average annual salary of a data analyst? List of skills required to become a data analyst, and skill wise list of courses available online, and then finally the points to remember at the end of the session. Right? So let's start with this. So first of all, I would like to discuss what exactly data analysis is. So data analysis is the process of collecting insights, right? Means like gold from mud. So the process of data, the data analysis is process of collecting insights. You can say knowledge from the data to inform better business decision. So the process of analyzing data typically moves through 5 iterative phases. So in simple words, we can say data analysis is the process to get better insight from the data which is collected from transactional system or from social system or from any system or the combination of both. And it is divided into 5 phases. First of all, you need to identify the data you want to analyze. First of all, the first phase is to identify which data you would like to analyze or which data is fit for answering a question. Then you need to collect the data, identify data, collect the data, then you need to clean the data. You need to remove irrelevant data sometimes, or maybe the garbage data, maybe data which is not related to your questions. Then you will be analyzing the data, and after analyzing the data, you will interpret the output. Now, what does a data analyst do? So a data analyst collects, cleans, interprets data sets, means group of data, that is called data set, for a particular region or to answer a particular type of question, right? And in order to answer a question and solve a problem, they work in many industries, including business, finance, criminal and justice, science, medicine, and government. Like if somebody wants to predict that which party will get or win the next election, again, this will be answered with the help of data analysis. But for that, we need to identify which data actually we want to collect. What kind of customer should a business target in its next campaign, ad campaign? So again, if you need to identify your target audience, target customer, target area, target region, the answer will be given by the data analyst. What age group is the most vulnerable to a particular disease? Like recently, we have seen the case of COVID. So, with the help of data which is generated day by day, the decision making was easier and we were effective in handling such events. What patterns in behavior are connected to financial frauds? So again, we all know that these days financial frauds are growing day by day. So we are able to identify pattern by getting various data where fraud has happened. So these type of questions might be pressed to answer as a data analyst, right? Now let's go ahead to learn about average salary. So the average salary for a data analyst in the United States in December 2022 is 66,859. You can convert it into Indian rupees. You can understand the amount, right? Again, the job listing site glassdoors.com पे आप जाएंगे. Again, you will be able to know that, and US Bureau of Labor Stats report median annual salary of a data analyst is 82,360, while human resource consulting firm Robert Half list midpoint salary of a data analyst is 1,06,500. So while these ranges varies, each of the salary figures is significantly higher than mean annual salary across the all occupations in the US. You will find that average salary of a data analyst is always higher than any other job, right? So you can refer to the glassdoors.com. You can refer to the US Bureau of Labor Stats and you will be able to know the average salary, or you can verify the whatever I'm claiming here. Now comes, this is again, I have taken a snapshot from glassdoors.com, and if you are a data analyst with experience of 2 to 4 years, this is your average salary. If you have 5 to 7 years, this is your salary. If you are 8 plus years and you are working as a principal data analyst, then $1,38,000 is your annual salary. For a senior data analyst, it is 1,12,593, and for a entry level data analyst, you can say 98,682. So these are the inputs from my side when it comes to the salary package, annual salary package for a data analyst. So now we are going to discuss list of skills required. So a data analyst should have knowledge of data analysis and data visualization, should have knowledge of stats and mathematics, SQL and databases, Python for data analysis, R for data analysis. He can choose any one of between point number 4 and 5. Data visualization is again data analysis and visualization is then there. Machine learning, Excel for data analysis. So I think these all 8 skills are a must to be a better skillful data analyst, right? Let's discuss how to learn these skills. So again, I'm going to discuss skill wise list of courses, right? So let's see first. For data analysis and visualization, you can learn it or you can develop it with the help of course number 1, data analysis and visualization with Python on Coursera, data analysis and visualization with R using R from Coursera. So you can choose any of these. Data visualization, data analysis and visualization using Excel, you can go ahead with Udemy. Tableau training for data science on Udemy. So these 4 courses are there. You can learn any of these, right? This is there. Again, for stats and mathematics, this is one course, statistics for data science, introduction to probability and data from Coursera, mathematics for machine learning from Coursera, statistics and probability from Khan Academy. So you can stats for data science, and when it comes to mathematics, so you can learn course number 1 and 3 to develop these skills for math and stats. Now we'll go ahead with SQL and databases. So SQL for data science, you can learn from Udacity, or introduction to SQL from Khan Academy. You can learn SQL from Code Academy, data management and database design on Coursera. You can choose any of these. Now comes data analysis, Python for data analysis. So Python for data analysis, you can learn from this book also, or Python for data science and machine learning bootcamp. This is available on Udemy. Data analysis with pandas and Python is available from Udemy, or applied data science with Python is available on Coursera. So this 4th is very good one, or you can learn any of these. R for data analysis. If you are more focused using R language, or you are willing to, or you are if you want to learn R for data analysis, so you can go ahead with these courses like R programming on Coursera, R for data science and machine learning bootcamp with R from Udemy, or data visualization with ggplot2 from DataCamp. So these 4 courses are there. You can learn any, but the best one, I think, from my opinion, you can go ahead with the course number 1. But if you are working with Python, so you should not go ahead with the what we call it R. So you can choose any of these, right? Now for data visualization, especially if you are worrying, or if you want to have a better visualization of data, better presentation of data, then you can learn it, especially for visualization, that is data visualization and communication with Tableau, or data visualization with Python. This is the best one, or data visualization with ggplot भी है आपका. Storytelling with data is also a course which you can, so you can create a visual story with the help of these courses, and that is very important. Then comes the skills for machine learning. So machine learning by Andrew Ng on Coursera, you can go ahead with, or you can go ahead apply data science with Python, or you can take course number 2 and 3 also if you wish to. Again, I would suggest you to always try to go to the site, select the course, see the duration, see the fee structure, and see the course curriculum, and then you decide on any. Or in any case, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box so that I can answer your query by doing analysis as per your specific query. Then comes Excel for data analysis. If you are willing to do analysis with the help of Excel is also a powerful tool these days. So somehow when it comes to, when the data is not huge in size, then Excel can work on this. So Excel for data analysis basics to expert level, you can do it from Udemy. Data analysis and dashboard reporting in Excel, you can again do from Udemy. Data analysis using Excel on EDX, I would suggest this one. Excel skills for business, you can go ahead with the Coursera also. So in my suggestion, this and this course is good one for you. Now comes the important point which you all must note. There are just few of many online courses accessible. When choosing a course, it is critical to consider a specific goal, whether you are preparing for data scientist or whether your focus area is for data analysis or something else. So according to that requirement, you need to find a course, and again you need to again match with your learning style, whether you learn from theory more or you learn from the practical, like that. So you can also look at Kaggle competition, online tutorial, forums, obtain hands-on experience, and engage with data science community. Remember to practice and use ability on regular basis to personal projects and real-world analysis assignment to reinforce your comprehension and develop a firm foundation. So this was all from my side. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel to help me so that I can give you some more relevant information, analyze information, useful information on some other jobs also. And in next video, I may be discussing the list of jobs available in the field of data science and pay package, right? तो कई बार बहुत सारे लोगों का क्वेश्चन होता है डेटा साइंस में कौन कौन सी जॉब्स होती हैं, उनका पे पैकेज क्या है, इंडस्ट्री किस किस इंडस्ट्रीज में वो जॉब्स मिलती हैं, क्या एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, लाइक दैट. तो आई विल बी इन द अपकमिंग वीडियो आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग द लिस्ट ऑफ jobs available in the field of data science with pay package. So thank you so much and best of luck for your career ahead.